I'm going to do another bike check because the last bike check I did, I didn't really like it. And I know it was on my channel for quite a while, but I just looked at it and then I thought, what the hell? So I just took it off my channel. So yeah, hopefully this one will turn out a lot more better. And I hope you guys will enjoy it more. I'll start with the grips and then I'll go down on my bike. So first, limited edition ODIs. They're really soft, so the softies, £10. United stem top load, really good, yeah. I've got a 20 top cap. I've got 9.5 Federal bars in black. I've got 20 forks. They're really good. I've got these tyres. There was £10 each. There was on a sale, Source BMX. So basically it came to £20. Well, to be honest, it came to £25 because it was £5 shipping. So I've got some stock cranks. They're really good. Yeah. There's my crank bolt what Rod put in for me because my crank bolt snapped for the second time. I've got the Odyssey sponge seat, which is really comfortable. I've got Salt Plus seat post. I've got Salt Plus sprocket. I don't know what chain I've got, but I think it's pretty shit to be honest because it snapped twice. So my frame. I've got a We the People Zodiac 2012 frame in matte black. The wheels, I've got BSD hubs. So BSD front hub, BSD back hub, aka cassette. I've got Federal rim in chrome, and same as the back. I'll just do it on the front because my front's cleaner. I've got a Dice dust cap to match my chrome. I've got red nipples. It'll probably look a bit pink on the camera, but yeah, it does actually look pink, but they're not. They're red. I've got spokes. They're Cult spokes. And I think that is it, to be honest. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna say what happened to my frame. It cracked, and if you have a look on my Instagram, there's a picture of my frame. It's cracked, but my cousin welded it for me, so that didn't cost me a penny. So thank you to my cousin. It's dialed, from what I'm aware of. Yeah, it's dialed. It probably sound different because it's in my living room at the minute, but there's no loose things on it. It's dialed. So yeah, I'm really proud of my bike. I think it's my dream bike, what I've been looking for and what I've been wanting to get for my whole BMX life. Because I've always wanted chrome wheels with red hubs and a black frame with black bars and that. But what I want is, I want either a chrome stem or a red stem. So if you put in the comments, yeah, what shall I get, a chrome stem or red stem? Because yeah, I think it might look nicer with a chrome stem because I ain't got much chrome on my bike. So I think I need more chrome because I've got my pedals in red. So I might as well get a chrome stem, see how that looks, and then I'll probably get a chrome seat post as well. But yeah, that all together with a chrome stem and a chrome seat post, that'll probably come to nearly 70 quid. Or probably less if I'm lucky. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it. So yeah, just go to my Facebook page. It's Ellis-Baker-BMX. Follow that. No, like it, sorry. And then go to my Instagram, Ellis Baker all capitals, Ellis Baker 12345. And go and check out my mate's channel called Jake Scooter TV. The TV is in capital letters, so make sure that's capital letters. And my team, I have a team, and they have a page as well on Instagram and Facebook. It's called A-Town Riders. Go and check that out, like it, follow it, share it, do what you want. So yeah, the editor for our team, so with the webisodes and edits, so he'll be editing them. It will be me, Jake, Ryan and Harrison. We won't be doing that. We have someone to do it for us called Chris Williams. Go and check out his channel called Evocity. He does all edits, intros. He used to do gaming, but now he don't do it anymore. He just does he makes different intros and everything. So yeah, just like, comment, subscribe this video, and make sure you comment on which colour stem I should get, chrome or red. I'm thinking about to get chrome. So yeah, just like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace out.